front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this Oppo through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Then wait for our Oppo devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. I will go with this Nokia. Now you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!